So hey everyone, so in today's GFG POTD we have a problem Padovan sequence. So basically in this question, the question is given here, given a number n, find the nth number in the Padovan sequence. A Padovan sequence is a sequence represented by the following recurrence relations. P of n is equal to P of n minus 2 plus P of n minus 3, where P of 0 is equal to P of 1 is equal to P of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so note here, pressure given, since the output may be too large, compute the answer module 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So basically, we can say this problem is just similar like we can say that Fibonacci series. Basically, in the Fibonacci series, we are also performing the same thing. Like there, we say that P of f of 0 is equal to f of 1 is equal to 1. But here in this, the sequence is like P of n is equal to P of n minus 2 plus P of n minus 3, and where P of 0 is equal to P of 1 is equal to P of 2 is equal to 1. So we can simply solve this problem. We need to solve this problem using expected time complexity order of n and expected auxiliary space order of 1. And we need to solve this problem using DP, series, modulus, arithmetic, and algorithms. So let's try to solve this problem first. First of all, I'm going to solve this problem using like the way through which we have solved like Fibonacci series. So first I'm saying if n is equal to 0, as it is given here in the questions, if P of 0 or P of 1 or P of 2 is equal to 1, P of 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so if n is equal to 0, or n is equal to 1, or n is equal to 2, we need to simply return 1. Else we can perform this using recursion. We can say that we can simply return Padovan sequence of we can say that of the sequence of the form n minus 2, which we have to take a mod because it is given a note like since the output may be too large, compute the answers modulus 10 to the 9 plus 7. Okay, so we have to take a modulus for each number. Okay, then I have to take a, then first we're going to define a mod into mod is equal to 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So I can say here mod, then I am to add with another sequence, Padovan sequence of like n minus 3 as it is given in the sequence, and similarly I have to also do mod here for this number also. And then after that, let's try to check this problem. So it's correct. Let's try to submit it. So basically this approach takes too much time. Okay, so for solving this problem, we can try to solve it by using, like, first of all we need to swap it and to take an extra variable which can help us to solve this problem. So first of all I'm going to define that P1 is equal to, let's say I'm saying P1 is equal to 1, P2 is equal to 1 for the P2 is equal to 1, and P3 is equal to 1. These are basically the variable which we are assuming that these are the first three variables which we are actually considering as 1, like as we are actually considering like that 1. But for the next value after 3, what we can do, we can do this thing for int I is equal to 3 and I is less than or equal to 3. What we can do, we need to take temp variable int temp, which basically stores the value of P1, and the second thing is we need to like whatever we declared P1, we need to define P1. P1 is equal to, this is the main logic to solve this problem. Okay, so here we can say P1 is equal to, we need to simply add P2 plus P3, then we have to take simply mod of uh, this number, and then we need to store P3 is equal to P2, and inside P2 we need to simply return temp. And after solving this problem, we need to simply move out from the else block statement, and then we need to simply return P1. So as I've defined P1 in this block, so I have to do. Then now let's compile and run. So yeah, it's working. So basically the logic is that I'm going to clarify here. This is my P1, P2, P3, which I have declared by value 1, and this is my temp variable. So the logic behind this problem, to solve this, basically I have taken a variable temp. Inside temp, what I'm doing here, we are actually storing the value of P1 to temp, and inside P1 we actually taking the value of both P2 and P3. We need to store the value of P2 and P3 inside P1, and now we can say that P2 and P3 are now, we can say that, empty. So here inside P3 we are taking the value of P2, now become P2 is empty, so we need to take the value of temp to P2, and we can simply return the value of P1. That means this value we need to take, we need to get this value which we are actually accessing from P1. So I am just simply returning my P1, and let's try to submit it. So it's correct. So that's all for the today. Thanks for watching.